So when are you setting the NOS up?
I'm setting it up.
And you
kind of NOS.
for the plants, are you doing like boost by gear, or
I'm doing the
you're doing like a two-step or
two-step
launch control
steroid injection for the plants.
Okay. Can't wait to see that. All right, guys, I'm back in the car. So you guys probably haven't even seen anything else because I'm making like a secret series vlog, so you'll see that coming up in a week or two. So I've been filming like extra videos during certain days and uploading extra stuff during the rest of the day. So I have some secret vlog stuff coming out. Be on the lookout for that. All right, where was I? Putting the glasses on, baby. Putting the glasses on. These need to be cleaned. So I got the top off now, and my family is leaving. They're going by the Camry right there. And anyways, going over to Kevin's house real quick. Oh my gosh, that was a rough shift. So I'm going over to Kevin's. He's gonna teach me how to take care of plants. Anyways, so like I said, I got this secret vlog series coming out, and you'll understand why once I start uploading those videos. So anyways, the basketball game's coming on in a little bit. Gonna check that out. So I'm just gonna go over to Kevin's real quick and then come back home. So maybe this song just triggered me, but I remembered what I was gonna say. My company just called me. My boss just called me. My boss is my friend from church. So my boss called me and said, come to work tomorrow. So it looks like the work surge is over or whatever. I don't know, I'm just making that up. I'll be working tomorrow, and then I'll be working again on Tuesday. So yeah, maybe a full day, maybe not, that's fine. Just gonna finish up some stuff, and I'm getting paid tomorrow anyway, so whether I worked or not, I was still getting my money. So anyways. You know, you really miss out on stuff when you don't have the camera rolling at 24/7. This kid was taking out his like grandma or something out in his BMW and just floored it underneath the bridge. It was freaking hilarious. Good times, y'all, good times. We got that cruise set for a cool 25. Just grandpa status. Good day to be in a Corvette. Alright, 45, here we go, baby. Get ready. Cruise off. Three, two.
What up?
Girl Scout cookies. We're gonna do a planting vlog today. Teach us how to water plants.
This is Planting with Kevin and John. Welcome to our green world.
All right. Step one.
Step one, plant things in dirt, and good dirt.
Step two.
And give them water every day or every other day, depending on what kind of plant they are.
Step three.
Make sure bugs don't eat it.
And lastly, step four.
Harvest your plants.
Deliciousness. Show us how to turn that water on, Kevin.
Boom!
Maximum boost. I feel the PSI.
Turbo time!
Oh snap, I hear the PSI.
So, everything...
She's squirting. Getting juicy over here.
Everything should be... This is my poor...
R.I.P.
Pretty much.
Moment of silence.
This is Barry Jr.
The arms of the angel.
No! No, triggered.
Look how many strawberries. Look at that. Boom, baby. Look at that. Big ones.
Woo! Yeah, she's getting ripe.
And even this. Boom, baby.
I can taste it already.
The greenness.
So, would you call yourself like Green Thumb Kevin or Randy Savage?
Randy Green Thumb.
You're Randy Green Savage.
Randy Savage. Randy Plant Savage. Check and make sure everything is getting water.
Custom profab right here. I'm just kidding.
Some what?
It's never mind.
Asparagus. Dragonfly.
What? I've never seen asparagus in my life.
No, right there. There's one right there.
But is this it too?
Yeah, that's the
mother?
Yeah, the seeding. They seed it.
Look at that, boys. It's bright. I can't see anything. Anyways, it's over there.
Peach tree.
Peach tree. That's gonna taste
Check out the foxglove.
a couple months and we're gonna have some fruit on that baby. Can't wait to pick a peach off of that. Oh yeah, that one's more ready. In a couple days, you think?
No, couple of years.
Holy, look at that dragonfly right there. Oh my gosh. That's like
Thing's huge.
2 inches away. 1 inch.
Close up. There's another one. There's the.
Come on, little fellow.
He's gonna bite you. He'll bite your finger.
Come on.
I think it's a red darner. And they look like they're dying, but they're not.
R.I.P. Barry Jr. Before, after.
And otherwise, everything else, that's it.
All right.
Garden rock.
So when are you setting the NOS up?
I'm setting it up.
And you
Kind of nos.
for the
Water
plant for the
NOS?
plants, are you doing like boost by gear or
I'm doing the
are you doing like a 2-step or
two-step
launch control?
steroid injection for the plants.
Okay. Can't wait to see that.
The radon powered growth,
Okay.
which will give us strawberries the size of your head.
Holy. Flowing with milk and honey.
Mother load.
It's the mother load spider gears. Any final thoughts for my 101 subscribers?
Take care of the environment. Thanks for your support. And this isn't a vlog about cars today because John is awesome.
That's right. You remember that. Alright, so we're rolling out. Around say bye, Kevin, not really. Clean the glasses. I still got stuff on the camera from earlier, so that's annoying. Anyways, starting the car up. Not very quiet, it's been running a while. Anyways, rolling back out of here. I hate this driveway. Got the glasses cleaned. Learned how to water some plants, so life is good. Gonna go watch the basketball game now. Actually, I kind of want to go to like Taco Bell's. I already went to Taco Bell once today, but you wouldn't know that because it's not in the video, so kind of want to go get some more Taco Bell, not gonna lie. I gotta spend the rest of this $500 on my credit card before our time is up. I have like 20 days or whatever, or 17 days or something, and I need to spend like another 40 bucks or whatever, so kind of just want to go get some Taco Bell. Just stopped and said hi to my old coworker. He lives across the street from Kevin, my boss's son, my ex-boss's son, so it was good to catch up with him a little bit and just say hi or whatever. So now we're rolling, boys. Now we're rolling. Okay, so anyways, I'm getting like really hungry, like to the point where like I'm feeling sick, you know, like when you don't eat forever and you feel like you're gonna throw up. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I'm either gonna go home and cook some burgers or go to Taco Bell. Yep, just cruising at 25 again. Got this angry dude behind me. This dude ain't very happy behind me, but the law is the law. We can't break the law unless we're in Mexico, and we're not in Mexico. Alright, here we go, boys. I swear I put these glasses on and everyone notices me. I don't know what it is, but I feel like a celebrity. I broke like 17 nicks today on the way home. Actually like 7. Anyways, these little kids are like, oh my gosh, Corvette, and they're like waving at me, so I like waved out the top of the roof and then I just floored it, so hopefully that made their day. It's always cool to see the kids excited about the car. That's really enjoyable. So anyways, gotta love the kids, sorta. Alright guys, 59 more to go. Anyways, if you're watching this, oh my gosh, that's so loud, I'm sorry. Anyways, if you're watching this, guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya. Cut it off.
Cut it.
Cut.